let's do a what's in my bag nano speedy edition. Guys, this is my dream bag. I just wanted to do a little what's in my bag. Isn't she the cutest? Like, she's literally smaller than my face. Actually, she's literally the size of my face. That's kind of crazy. I paid $19.08 for her. She is the newest version of the nano speedy. This is a 2025. She also comes with a crossbody strap for those who care about that kind of stuff. I only use her when I'm going to the mall or when I'm going to the grocery store, where I'm in places where I need to use my hands a lot more often and I can't just hold it like this. But I do like that I have the option and I didn't have to go out and buy the strap like some bags make you do. I know the 2020 version, the strap came automatically on it. You weren't able to take it off, but I am happy that I'm able to take it off, because if I want to go out and buy a shoulder strap version instead of a crossbody version, I can do that. We can do that. Without further ado, let's go through the bag. She is a clown car, honey. She fits all the essentials. You got it, she'll fit it. I got my baby blockers. I have a compact mirror. I have some hand lotion because your girl gets ashy sometimes, you know, I'm not above the rest. I have my wallet and I have a digital camera. I also want to note that if you have a G7X, it will fit your G7X. I would know, I have one. I'm just filming with it right now, so can't show you, even though I would love to. And I have not one, not two, oh, I have a hair tie, not three, not four, but 5 lip products in here. And she's empty. I just carry my essentials. There are people that are able to fit their phones in here. Outside of the obvious, you can't carry a Kindle, you can't put an iPad in here. But for everyday essentials, this is honestly the perfect bag. It's the perfect grab and go bag. She's just so cute. She's dainty. She's a lady. Be nice. So if you were considering her, I recommend her. I love her. This has quickly turned into my everyday bag so fast. And I was a bag goo girl before. Actually, let's be real, I'm still a bag goo girl, but if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I'd be so glad and so happy to answer them. Are you guys interested in the nano speedy? Are you following the speedy train, or are you thinking of getting another bag? Tell me, because I might want that bag too. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.